Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making the physical connection. Plug a data-capable USB cable between devices. Make sure the phone is unlocked and set to file transfer mode. On a PC, watch for driver prompts and accept or install drivers. This enables the device to appear as storage. Once the OS recognizes the device, open File Explorer or Finder to confirm visibility. If a prompt asks about permissions, grant file access. Otherwise, the system won't allow transfers. Now you execute the file move with attention to integrity. Open the source folder on the connected device and the destination folder on your computer. Arrange windows side by side for clarity. Drag and drop or use copy and paste while watching the progress bar. If interrupted, the file will be incomplete. For many or large files, use a dedicated copy utility to resume failed transfers and to verify checksums. Once the transfer finishes, confirm file sizes and open a file to ensure it's not corrupted. To finish, always eject the device before unplugging. This commits pending writes and avoids corruption. Use the operating system's eject option or the hardware icon in the taskbar. Wait for confirmation. If the device is not detected, try another USB port or a known good cable. Enable USB debugging on Android or toggle connection modes. Reinstall drivers or restart both devices as a last resort. If transfers fail repeatedly, test with a small file to isolate hardware from software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.